Experiencing the worship that happens inside the core of our sister territory was a highlight of my trip to India. Soldiership is strong here in India, and their 263 corps are filled with activities throughout the week. Women's ministries like Home League are flourishing, as well as youth activities and community outreach. The faith of the Salvationists I met was obvious and strong. During our worship, we were all drawn closer to God. Even though Christians are the minority in India, their willingness to sacrifice and serve others is evident throughout this region. Most of the Army Corps and institutions don't have the resources we take for granted in the West, but there's a wonderful spirit of contentment behind the faith experience of these Salvationists. Salvationists choose to focus on what they have and what they can do for one another, rather than on what they lack. Officers and soldiers each share in the ministry to their neighbors throughout the week, so it becomes natural for the same community to come together when it's time for worship.
The divinity they are seeing there, and also the spirituality in us, and also the wonders and what God is doing, how God is healing them. This all they have kept it in mind, and they are eagerly coming to the church and worshipping God. And it is very difficult for us on Sundays and also in the weekdays also. We have to tell them, move friend, move friend, move friend. Even though it is very congested, they feel happy because they are in the presence of God. Even though it is difficult to sit, but they feel happy in the presence of God, and they are worshipping very heartfully. Every week we face this problem because some of the men were not able to come into the church. They are having the interest to come and worship God, but they are failing because they have no sufficient place to worship, and the church also is very congested, so small.
Worship services are often passionate and animated. The pulse of drums and tambourines accompany their singing as they share in a true celebration of life. Each week, you will find Salvationists throughout the India Central Territory filling their corps and prayer halls beyond their capacity, worshiping alongside those who are merely curious or searching for greater significance in their life. Together, they want to be inspired and encouraged to be a clear light in their own communities. Because of the Army's ministry in urban slums and rural villages, new generations have discovered a timeless truth that goes beyond culture or religion. There is a God who wants to have a personal relationship with His creation, and that His purpose on earth includes each one of them. I'm Major Ralph Buckowitz, and this is Into the World. Next time on Into the World, we'll look at how the Salvation Army is providing education that otherwise would not be available.